So to make the pancake, we need this blender. Oh my god, it's not opening. So we need this one and half cup, yeah, like this, of rolled oats. Then oh, we need 2 bananas. We have to peel them and to put them. Oh, let me do one thing. I will take this katori, this katori, and I will bananas. We have to peel them and to put them. Oh, let me do one thing. I will take this katori, this katori, and I will keep aside few pieces of banana for the garnishing. I will keep aside it, then I will put this banana inside, and also I will put this banana inside. So I will put half cup of milk like this. Then I will take 2 eggs. 2. I will then what more I have is that I will take 1, just like this, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is the vanilla essence I use, which has no labeling, nothing. I know. Now what else we have, and little bit of baking powder. And this is the vegetable oil. You can totally replace this with some olive oil or coconut oil, anything. I'll put this one. So the mixture looks like this. Okay, so now I will blend it in a mixture. Now it's time to blend it. So the mixture looks like this. This should not be too much thick or too much runny. This is the exact mixture should look like, neither too runny nor. So we need a pan. Then I will light up this pan. I will switch on my cucina. Sorry for the sound I'm having, it's of this cucina. So I need some butter. Okay, need some butter. You can totally skip adding butter. I like it, that's why I'm adding it. So we need some butter. Along with that, we need some vegetable oil. Okay. Just like this. I don't know if you guys will see it or not. Now I will put this batter that I have over here. Yeah. Wait. I'll put this. It smells so nice, guys. I'll put this batter over in this pan. Just not like this. We have to take some spoon like this. Okay. I'll wash it. Then I'll check this. Okay. See, like this. Full. Then I'll put it like this. Cool. This is how the pancake looks like. Okay.